Jai Shri Ram. In the Raghuvamsham, Canto 1, stanza 2, the shlokam written by Kalidasa, Mahakavi Kalidasa, expresses his extreme humility, indicating his foolishness in attempting to describe the exalted lineage of Sri Rama, Suryavamshi kings. कहाँ ये महान वंश और कहाँ मेरी अल्प बुद्धि. So this is a lovely shlokam, and it teaches us one thing, that without understanding people criticize Rama, Krishna, and actually they incur great papam. Please don't do this. Try to understand, and then you will realize that you are trying to cross the ocean on a ramshackle raft. Now listen to the shloka. Kva surya prabhavo vamshaha kva cha alpa vishayamati. Where is the exalted lineage of Surya Vamsha, and where is my petty small intellect? Kva surya prabhavo vamshaha क्व च अल्प विषया मतिः तितीर्षु दुस्तरम मोहात् उडुपेन अस्मि सागरम. That means it is in my delusion. Where is the rays born of the sun so exalted? Where is my intellect which is limited to worldly matters, so meager? Driven by delusion, I wish to cross the insurmountable ocean in a tiny raft. Wonderful, isn't it? And every second day you hear some idiot, they tore up Ramcharitmanas. These scoundrels will be born as worms, dung beetles. And many idiots, at the drop of a hat, don't hesitate to criticize Rama and Krishna. What to say? Terrible, isn't it? Anyway, Kva Surya Prabhavo Vamshaha Kvacha Alpa Vishaya Matihi तितीर्षुर दुस्तरम मोहेना उडुपेना अस्मि सागरम. Life is a long lesson in humility. Don't become arrogant. Try to understand. If you don't understand, do your research or join me. Together we will do the research. Jai Shri Ram.